Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Davinci Resolve. So let's do it. Now, if you simply highlight your footage. Now, before I do that, this is just footage of a model which I downloaded from a website called Pexels. I'll leave a link to this video in the description if you want to work along with it. All right, so I just want to crop out the model, just hair body. The rest of the stuff I just don't want to see it. So to do that, just make sure that this is highlighted and come here to the inspector tab. Just make sure it's highlighted as well. Under cropping, you can simply click and drag where it says crop left to drag from the left, and click and drag to crop from the right, to crop from the top. Simply click and drag, and the bottom, click and drag. Right, you can also add softness. That's to blur the edges of your crop. Right, that's one way of doing it, but I just want to show you the simpler way of cropping. You simply come here under the viewer here on the right side, just click and hold. There are plenty of options here. Transform, crop. We just want to make sure that crop is highlighted, and when you do that, you see that this comes along. You can click and hold these edges here, click and drag, click and drag, and click and drag. Still be doing the same thing, because if you look on the right, you see that when I effect a change, even the settings they are changing. So that is how you crop a video. Let's just click here to deselect it and play it. So pretty much that is how you crop a video in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. See you in the next video.